In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the row height and column width in Excel. We're going to walk through a simple way to resize rows and columns so your spreadsheet looks cleaner and your data is easier to read. This is especially useful when text appears cut off, when cells look too crowded, or when you just want to improve the overall layout of your worksheet. To begin, open the Excel workbook where you want to make the changes. Once your file is open, you can start by adjusting the row height. First, select the row or rows you want to resize. You can do that by clicking the row number along the left side of the worksheet. If you want to change more than one row at the same time, select multiple rows before moving on. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of Excel. In the Cells group, click Format. A drop-down menu will appear with several cell sizing options. From that menu, choose Row Height. Excel will open a small dialog box where you can type in the exact height you want. Enter your preferred row height, then click OK to apply the change. If you'd rather resize the row manually, there's also a quick drag and drop method. Move your pointer to the bottom border of the row heading until the cursor changes to a double-headed arrow. Then click and drag the border up or down until the row reaches the height you want. This method is helpful when you want to adjust the size visually instead of entering a specific number. Now let's change the column width. Start by selecting the column or columns you want to resize. Just click the column letter at the top of the worksheet. If needed, you can select multiple columns to apply the same width all at once. After that, go back to the Home tab. In the Cells group, click Format again, and this time choose Column Width. A dialog box will appear where you can enter the exact width you want for the selected column. Type in the value, then click OK. You can also adjust column width manually. Place your pointer on the right border of the column heading until it changes to a double-headed arrow. Then click and drag left or right to make the column narrower or wider. This is a fast and flexible option when you want to size columns based on how the content looks on screen. And that's it. That's how to change row height and column width in Excel using either exact measurements or manual dragging.